Gay-Lussac's law. It is from the section gaseous state under the section states of matter. Definition: volume remaining constant, the pressure of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature in Kelvin scale. That is, P is directly proportional to T at constant volume. That is, P is equal to KT, where K is proportionality constant at constant volume. That is, P divided by T is equal to K constant at constant volume. That is, P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2 at constant volume. Now the graph here is a P versus T graph, and it is at constant V, that is called an isochore. This graph is a straight line that is on an inclination with the inclined plane. That obviously satisfies the equation, as P is directly proportional to T. Now let us try our hand on some questions. Question: our 10-liter container is filled with a gas to pressure 2 atm at 0 degrees Celsius. At what temperature will the pressure inside the container be? Was 2.5 atm. As the volume of the container remains constant, we can apply Gay-Lussac's law, that is PT law. And the data is given as P1 is equal to 2 atm, P2 is equal to 2.5 atm, T1 is equal to 273 degree Kelvin, T2 is equal to question. Therefore, P1 by T1 equal to P2 by T2. Hence, T2 on calculation comes up to 68.25 degrees Celsius. Hence, this approach can be applied in other problems as well. P1 by T1 equal to P2 by T2 at constant V, and that's the Gay-Lussac's law.